Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Airpods model supports transparency. Airpods Pro and Max have the required mics. Next, pair them with Android. Open Bluetooth, select your Airpods, and complete pairing. Once done, install the companion app that provides pass-through processing on Android. This app will route microphone input through to the output. Make sure location and microphone permissions are granted so the app can access the mics and run in the background. Open the pass-through app and accept all requested permissions, notifications, microphone, and run in background, because the app needs continuous mic access. Then, in the app, pick your AirPods as the audio output device so processed sound routes to them instead of the phone speaker. Enable the transparency or pass-through toggle. Adjust input gain and output level to balance natural sound with noise floor. If there are presets, choose a conservative profile first to avoid distortion. Listen and tweak incrementally. Now test transparency by speaking and listening for external sounds through your AirPods. Check both clarity and latency. If latency is noticeable, make sure the app uses low latency audio mode and reduce processing quality. Also close heavy background apps. If audio still won't route, unpair and repair the AirPods, restart Android, and reopen the pass-through app. One key troubleshooting tip: if you hear stutter or dropouts, temporarily disable battery optimizations for the app so the system won't throttle microphone access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.